Hey guys, this is Noobs and Up. Today I will be showing you how to set up a Fire Stick 4K. Now this setup will work for any Fire Stick, but these ones do go on sale. It's only about $10 difference from the other one, the original one, which is $25 Canadian. This one is $35 Canadian. With the shipping came up to $40 Canadian. So I'm going to show you how to set this up and also what tools I use in order for it to run efficiently, and also I'll be showing you some APK apps and a really nice setup where you can watch live TV, movies, all the new things. Everything will be available on this one device, which is portable, easy to take around. So let's go ahead and open up the box. This is the 4K version. It doesn't matter which version you have, but we'll be able to set this up. The only version I recommend that you don't buy is the actual Amazon box, the TV box. Yeah, that one's, you can't load APK apps. So, power cord, charger, here is a little dongle for the HDMI. Here's the cube, the remote, and the actual Fire Stick. See, this thing is so portable. You can just bring this, a charger, and you're good to go. TV anywhere. You have Wi-Fi, at least. So it's great for traveling. It's great for your house. It's great to move around. It's great for everything. And then we have, obviously, the manuals, but we won't be needing that today because I'll be showing you guys everything you need to know. So as far as setup, this is pretty much as simple as it gets. We got the power cord here. I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. You can use the USB adapter if you need it, but I have a little USB connection right here, so I'll be running that behind here. And another thing that I'm doing is I'm actually setting up a wired connection. So here's my modem. I'm running a little Ethernet cord. I'll show you where that leads to. You don't actually need the Ethernet cord, but the better signal, the better your streaming. So wired connection is best. And if you would like to do that, you need to buy one of these, which is like the Ethernet dongle for Fire TV. If you just go on Amazon and search up Ethernet Amazon Fire Stick, this thing will come up. This is the Amazon branded one. Okay, super simple setup. This is the dongle. You got your Ethernet and your power connected to your Fire TV stick, and then the HDMI extender goes into the HDMI of the TV. This is not required, but it helps a lot for people who stream a lot. So if you don't have this, you just connect the power cord right to here, and that's it. So really simple. Okay guys, once you set up your Fire TV stick and turn it on, it'll ask you to log in. Once you log in, you should get to this page after going through the walkthrough. And the very first thing I'm going to need you to do is download something. So go to the top and search for downloader. Also, I've already downloaded my VPN service. If you have a VPN service that you like and you use, I would recommend to download it and add it to your Fire TV stick, because it will help when you're streaming apps to keep you private. Anyways, here's downloader, and this is NordVPN, which I have already downloaded. It's a very good one. If you don't know or have one yet, you should use Nord. Now, once that downloads, we'll go ahead and open it. Allow. Okay. So before we go ahead and start downloading apps, there's one setting we need to change. So you can go back to the home page, go to settings, down here, go to My Fire TV, developer options, and we need to turn both these settings on. So once both are turned on, we can go back to the home page. We can go to downloader. So we're going to click on this URL box right here, and I'll have this in the link in the description below. We're going to put in Misfit Mods, MIS FITMODS.com, so misfitmods.com, and then /APKS. So once you got that in, it'll come up to this page. Now, this right here, you can go and click the 3-line button, or the top right, you can see the 3 lines. And just add this to your favorites. Add current page, index of apps, save. Alright, 6. So now when you go open this app up, you can go to favorites and then go right to this page. Now on this page, here's a bunch of apps for you to download. Yeah, you can just go through them and try them, whichever ones. A lot of them have actual descriptions, but I'm going to show you some that I like. So the first one that I'm going to download is BTV, which should be right here. BTV. And in order to download this, click on the actual link. It will download it. And then when it's done downloading, so once you download the file, this should come up. You're going to go ahead and click install. Let that install. Takes a few seconds to install. Just once it's done, click done. Then you go here and delete the install file. Okay, the actual file, the app will be installed, and then the file that you downloaded to install it, you need to delete that to keep it nice and clean. Now just to go over some of the apps that are here, the ones that I use, I will leave a list in the description below, but you can go ahead and try different apps and try different things that you like. Like I'm just seeing here Disney Plus. So all of these things are free, and they're usually like hacked in a sort of way so that like it gives you a paid experience for free kind of thing. So things that I like is BTV, Cyberflix, Clean Master, Cinema HD, Get the Strap, Legendary TV, LiveNet, Kodi, Live Lounge, MX Player, Morpheus, Mouse Toggle, Puffin, Silent Ghost, Tubi TV, Misfit, Mods. All these apps you're going to want to download. I'm going to put them in the description below, but feel free to try some of your own ones. If you see something you like, go ahead, download it. Tell us what you think about it in the description and in the comments. Let us know where you're from as well, because different servers from different places affect how fast the stream is and how the user quality is for you. So I'm going to go ahead and download a few more apps, and then I will show you guys what they look like. So once everything's downloaded, you can see it all in your apps and games. All you have to do is go to the home page, go all the way to the right on your apps and games, and click see all. Now all your apps will come out, all the ones that you just downloaded. So what you can do so that it's easy to access them is you can move them all to the front. So click the three lines on top of your app and then just move to front, move to front, move to front. And you just gotta move all these apps so that they're easy, accessible, and you can find them right on the home page. So I'll just quickly move some to the front, and this one you don't need at the front because it's just your video player that you're going to be using. So now to show you how it works, right? So the first thing I do, I turn on my VPN. So I'm going to have my VPN at the front. Turns on. So as you can see at the bottom here, it says auto connect feature. So I have it turned on so that anytime I turn on my Fire TV stick, it's connected to VPN, and I can just stream my videos nicely. So I'll show you LiveNet. You can go through and try every app yourself, but this is one that I like. It's pretty simple to use. Just open up the app. It's gonna load up real quick. It's a good thing about having the 4K stick is it's a little bit faster, so even though if you don't have a 4K TV, it still works faster and downloads faster. It's a better processor, and I think there's more RAM, so it's just the hardware components are better. So now I can show you they have 24-hour movies, live TV. I'll show you Canada since I'm in Canada. These are like local channels. I could just show. And this is something you want to do. Click MX Player. Use always. Because MX Player is the best one for this. These streamers and stuff like that. So there you go. Live TV. Now I can show you some other apps real quick. We'll try out this one. I've never tried it before, but it says HD, so let's see what it looks like. Let this load up. And there's all types of apps. There's apps for streaming services. There's apps for sports. There's apps for just live TVs. There's apps for movies on demand. So many different things. So many things to try out. So go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Let me know what you find. I'm also curious to find some better channels and see what's good, you know? So we gotta test it out. Need your help. So let's go see the sports. Right now the Raptors game is on. Let's see if they got the Raptors. Let's go. Premium. Let's see. BN Sports. No, I haven't really used this one before, so I'm not familiar. But let me see what else they got. Oh, so right here they got live games, premium channels. Let's check out the NBA. Where's the NBA at? Alright, well I'll show you something else for now and I'll go figure that out later. But basically, you just turn on any channel and it should work. Let me try TSN. There we go, Sportsnet. Let's see if that has the Raptors game on it. Check out the quality test as well. It's not bad. You can also change the view of it so that so let's see what else there is, because that's not the greatest. ESN Sports too. There we go. That's what we're looking for. So it's working. This is a live game, completely free. It's great. Let me know what you think. And if you enjoyed this, please subscribe for more. I'll start bringing you guys more content, showing you guys what I've been using. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. For now, I'm going to enjoy this game.